Hello traders, here I am once again with yet another video on the Bork token. In today's video we'll not be doing the technical analysis, or we won't be doing any fundamental or maybe the tokenomics of Bork token, but on today's video we'll be doing something different. What we're going to do is we're going to do a reality check on the Bork token of like how much you can invest in this and how much return it's going to give you in this upcoming bull run. So before going any further, I would just like to make a disclaimer that this video is not a financial advice. This is only meant for educational purpose, and I would suggest you guys to do your own research and try to analyze things, then only try to invest. So what we are going to do here, this is just an assumption. This is not a guarantee, or this is not something that is going to happen. It is like a tentative move or maybe a probability that we are taking out of Bork token. So let's quickly dive into the chart. I'm not going to analyze it. I'm just going to show you that the Bork token is currently bouncing back from this support level over here. Now let's quickly dive into the spreadsheet that I've designed for you guys. I've already mentioned Bork token investment plan for 2025, and like I said before, this is only for educational purpose. This might be a failure, but there are chances to see through. The total supply of Bork token is at 10 billion right now. I've arranged different price range of Bork token because we won't be accumulating the Bork token at very particular price, because the price range will fluctuate, and then we'll be buying or doing the accumulation of Bork token in different price range. Now we have the investment, how much you're going to invest, and then the total Bork token that you'll receive, and then we have the future price that if it goes up to this price range, then how much we'll be getting the future value, and then the increase in percentage. So if the Bork token goes to 0.0013, it will be a 160% gain. Likewise, if the Bork token goes to 15 cents, we will have a 30,000% gain, which will make the market cap of 1.52 billion, whereas the current market cap is at 5 billion. And then we can see that how gradually the market cap will increase and what is the future possibility on the Bork token. Let's move into the first investment. Suppose, for example, you got into Bork. The first Bork that you purchased was at 0.00063, and you thought, okay, this is my first investment that I'm making, so let me just put it maybe $200. I just want to start with this. All right, then let's not concentrate on this as of now. Let's just focus on this. So with the $200 investment, you'll be getting 317,000 Bork tokens. Now let's move further. Suppose if the price, instead of rallying up, it went down to 0.00054, and you thought, okay, it is going down, let me just DCA with $100. I don't want to risk it, I just want to play a safe investment. All right, you invested $100, you got 184,000 Bork token. Now the price went down further low, and you thought, okay, this is going down, this is pretty scary, but let me just invest $100 because it won't do any harm to me. Okay, you purchase another Bork token worth of $100. Now the price went down further low, and you thought, okay, this will be a very good entry. Maybe you saw the Bork token somewhere down here at this price where it got bounced back, and you thought, okay, let me play a safe investment. Or maybe here you thought, okay, it is bouncing back, let me just do the safe investment, and you just purchase maybe of $200 again, but the price went further low. Now as we can see it in the chart that maybe you were assuming that this will hold, so you purchased, but it broke down the support level. And if suppose, for example, the market went for correction before halving, and then the correction took place, and all the altcoins including Bitcoin went down crashing, and maybe the Bork price also went down along with the market, and in the worst case scenario, the price of Bork token went to 0.00015, for example, right? And you're like, oh my goodness, the price has went drastically down. And if you are a smart investor, instead of selling off your entire Bork tokens, what you did was you did a smart move. Instead of selling it off, you purchased more Bork, and this time you thought, okay, this is the price range where the Bork token is falling down, let me just wait for confirmation. And you saw that from the price point of 0.00015, the Bork token is trying to bounce, the market is trying to bounce back, Bitcoin price is going up, right? And you thought, okay, this will be a very safe investment, let me just try to go with $600, and you invested $600 into this. Now ultimately you'll be getting more token, the Bork token, and you received 3.92 Bork tokens, which was quite good. In the end, when you checked, your total investment into Bork was summed at $1,200. Now the total Bork token that you have received is close to 5 million. and then maybe after doing all the DCA and the dollar cost averaging or accumulating the bottom, you received you came down to the price point. Maybe we can just say it. Let's just say 0.0004. Yeah, that maybe you got into Bork at 0.0004. That's the average price range or entry level into Bork, which is quite decent enough after doing all the DCA. You invested $1,200 and your total Bork token is at 5 million. What will happen if the price goes up in this upcoming bull run, that is like the end of 2025, and you are anxiously waiting for your investment? Let me just break it out. Instead of going to this $1,200 directly, let me just show you what will happen if you would have invested only this much of dollars, maybe 600 only, or maybe only 200 or $100. What would eventually happen? Let me just say it that in the worst case scenario, right, after investing all this amount, suppose you just invested $200 and the price went to 0.00093, which is like a 90% gain. That means out of this $200 you received close to $95 as a profit. Now what if this price was your total investment and the market went to 0.15? What will eventually happen at this price range? So let me just quickly show it to you over here. Let me just quickly bring it to 1.5. right? You will see it. Your $200 will eventually be 47,854 US dollars if the price goes to this range with only $200. That could be an investment, right? But let me just quickly cancel this, and we just $100, right? If the price goes to maybe 160% gain, you'll be making a profit of 141 USDT. That will be the profit that you'll be getting. And then with maybe $200 investment at the price range of 0.013 US dollars, you'll be getting a profit of close to 5,300 USDT. That will be a 2,700% gain. You can call it 27x. It will go. What if the price goes to 0.15? That is like 300x that we'll be seeing in the Bork token, and that will be a market cap of 1.5 billion, like I said it before, which will bring Bork to the market cap of maybe close to 48 or 50th rank. Okay, now if the total investment is $1,200 and the price goes to 15 cents, what could be the profit that you'll be getting? Because out of only $600 investment and the price goes to 15 cents, you'll be making a profit of $597,000. This is what it is. I'm not making things up. It is just on your screen right now, and we are just doing the analysis on this. Now let me just quickly show you if you have invested $1,200 and if the price goes to 0.15 US dollars, you'll be making a profit of 765,284 USDT. That's the profit that you're making out of just investing $1,200. If the price goes to 30,000%, a 300x in Bork token, and the market cap will only be 1.5 billion. That's gonna be insane. This is just crazy if you think. This seems to be impossible, right? But if you compare it with other altcoins or the meme tokens, you can say it in particular, the Dogecoin, the Shiba Inu, Pepe, the Bonk, all these tokens have made many traders millionaires. And this was it. Some were just noobs, some were just thinking as casual investment, some thought of doing a smart investment in this, and some were just randomly putting their money into this meme tokens, and they made money out of this. They made their fortune out of this. And I'm not saying that this is something that's gonna happen for sure, and I'm not even saying that this is not gonna happen. This is something that we are just analyzing it. So this is quite possible, to be honest, and in this upcoming bull run, Bork token might do something magical with the investment that you're making. You could be someone who is investing just $200 into this token, just trying it out. You could be someone who is investing maybe $5,000 into this. You could be someone who is just investing maybe few $100 into this. So you could be anyone. But what I want to say is, if you do your own analysis on this and think properly, then this is like the safe net for you guys. You're not investing a lot of money into this. You're not investing a lot of funds into this. And definitely I would not recommend the one who only have like a portfolio of $500 or maybe $1,000 and you're investing your entire portfolio into this. I'm not gonna advise you to do so, but you can just invest maybe 10% of your portfolio, or maybe lower than that, maybe 1% or maybe 5% of your entire portfolio into this, and you can just keep it for the rest of this bull run, and it might give you a good return. If this project goes to zero, if this meme token doesn't rise up like any other meme tokens, then it's fine. You're not going to waste or lose a chunk of money or your entire portfolio. You'll be just losing the 1% or maybe 5% of your investment. So it depends on how much portfolio you hold and how much investment you're going to do it. Okay, let's just assume that the price never reached to 15 cents. Like a Bork token ranged from the current market price to maybe 0.00093. That's like 90%. And you invested same like $1,200. For example, you purchased maybe you purchased the Bork token at 0.00051. That was the range where you purchased, and you purchased only for $1,200. For example, I'm just doing the assumptions over here, right? And then let's see how much Bork you'll be receiving. So this is the total Bork that you'll be receiving. That is like 2.3 million, if I'm not wrong. Yes, that's 2.3 million. Let me just quickly change it to numbers. Okay, this is clear. So you have received a total of 2.3 million Bork tokens. What will happen if the price never reach out to the level that we were expecting, maybe 15 cents? We never see this price, and the price only went to, let's just say it, to 0.00093. What will be your profit? With this $1,200, you'll be making a profit of maybe $1,000, close to $1,000. That will be a good profit that you'll be making with this 90% gain. But what if the price goes to maybe 160%? I'm just taking the least assumption. You'll be doubling the profit over here to maybe from $1,200, you'll be going to $3,000 as a good profit. What if the price goes to 1,700%? That is like 17x from the current market price. You'll be making a profit of $21,000 with just an investment of $1,200. Guys, this is something that is a massive gain that you're making out of this small investment that you're doing it. Now, this could be maybe $500 as well. Still, if it is $500, you'll be getting 973,141 Bork tokens, and you'll be making a profit of 8,300 if the price goes to 1,700%. Now, what if the price goes to 1,300%, which is like 27x, and it is just a market cap of 135.8 million USDT. So if the market cap goes to this level of 2,700% rally, then let's see how much profit you'll be making. And this is just a small assumption that we are doing it. You'll be making a profit of 13,000 USDT out of a $500 investment. And if this investment is $1,000, right, you'll be getting 26,000 as a great profit or a great income out of this investment that you're making it. So this is the least that we expect from the Bork token, and this is something that could go in this upcoming bull run. All right, that's it. Before I leave, once again, this is just a probability and the analysis that we have done. This is not a financial advice. This is not something that I'm recommending that will happen for sure. This is just a video for education purpose. So if you have enjoyed this video, if you have got some good information out of this video, then do like, share, and subscribe, and also do follow me on my other social media platforms. So thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. God bless you all, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye for now.